How to integrate Pipedrive with LinkedIn. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Pipedrive with LinkedIn. So, to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive into your preferred browser and sign in to your account. Once signed in, click on these three dots at the bottom left corner of your screen and then click on Marketplace. Now, in here, go ahead and use the search bar to look for LinkedIn. So you need to go ahead and look for LinkedIn for the tools that you can connect on your Pipedrive account. So in here, click on this LinkedIn lead gen form sync and then click on this authorize button at the bottom right of this pop-up, and that will take you into the out funnel website. So in here, you need to go ahead and select Pipedrive and authenticate it, and then select LinkedIn and click on authenticate to authenticate it. So you need to sign into your account into this section, and then once you have signed into your account, you can go ahead and proceed on integrating your Pipedrive files to your LinkedIn account and vice versa. And that is how you can basically integrate Pipedrive with LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.